Alright guys, it's about 3:20 p.m. on Tuesday, 3:20 Eastern. Got about a little under 40 minutes to go till the cash market close. We've done a bunch of scalps in here, predominantly to the buy side. This has all been automated trading here. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades to the long side and 2 trades to the sell side, all along our universal TT, which we've been adjusting as the market's been developing here. Some of them have been based on some sweet spots here where we have 2 universal TTs converging. That creates a sweet spot. Other ones are a little bit more aggressive, just coming off the most recent universal TT coming off the swing high. We've got a bunch of, you see pretty much every time it kisses it here, quick reaction here, reacting down, and here once again just now actually coming right into the sweet spot. Now we also have a higher time frame sweet spot in the same general area here. Let me show you that. And it's since moved a little bit lower. They haven't been able to get down into that recently. They did earlier, so we're going to move our zone there. And that's what this zone represents, a higher time frame sweet spot. This way when I am snapping them off of more recent levels, I keep that reminder present that we do have a higher time frame sweet spot in close vicinity. And that's going to help us with trade management. If it's not in close vicinity and they break the micro sweet spot, then we take it off. Once they break full bar out, hitting stops, we take it off. But if we have a real higher time frame sweet spot, excuse me, in close vicinity, I'm going to hold on to that trade and manage it accordingly. So I'm going to let this run here, see what else we can find as far as opportunities here. I'm sure there'll be something coming up shortly. Alright guys, so just put one on here at 97 3/4, profit target 95 1/4. You can see a little bit of a micro sweet spot here. We have TT coming off swing point lows. We have a universal TT coming off this swing point here. We call this the ladder TT in this case, and this would be the swing TT, creating a sweet spot here. See how this plays out, see if we are going to add any more going forward. I'll update as soon as another trade takes place here. Still just one, guys. Have not added anything on here. Algo's just sitting with one still at 97 3/4. Just came within about 2 ticks of profit target there. Got the fill there, 95 1/4 fill, flat. So initiated 97 3/4, 95 1/4 fill. I adjusted these to show, kind of get an idea of where the next sweet spot's going to be. It's going to be in this area here, this 04, 03-ish area. But that was the sweet spot that was created off of these 2 micro swing points. So this is more of a micro swing point. Now to find my next swing point, I just kind of walk up the ladder. Next viable swing point, snap a TT there, and that would give me my next area to look for shorts as far as a sweet spot. But as you've seen here, market very rotational. When the market's rotational, these sweet spots, especially in that type of market, have an extremely high probability of serving as an inflection point and therefore causing a reaction in price. And that's what we're looking for, that high probability reaction in price. As the market moves away from that inflection point area, there's a reason why it works. There's a lot going on under the surface as far as the smart money and retail traders getting trapped and stops getting hit into those areas. That's something that we get into in the trade room. You know, at the end of the day, you want to understand what you're looking at and why it works so well. But it's not rocket science. It's not complicated. Once you see it in action live, especially on your own screens, you'll be seeing it on my screens, and you'll soon realize that these universal TTs, especially these sweet spots, gives us such a high level of transparency into these real-time stop run cycles where, you know, they're alerting us visually to where the high probability of stop run exhaustion should take place. These areas are areas where there's imbalance occurring. The order flow shifts, in this case, from buyers, an imbalance of buying to an imbalance of selling. Smart money's taking profit on longs, initiating shorts. That's where we initiated shorts, and this is now another new stop run in the opposite direction. Trade patient, trade well. We'll see you in the trade room.